Hello everyone! Welcome back to another in-depth restoration review. Today, we follow an unexpected journey deep into the forest, where a young woman, while gathering medicinal herbs, stumbles upon something remarkable. A long abandoned semi-truck, completely engulfed by vines and rust. The question is, can she bring this beast back to life? Let's find out. As the video begins, the camera zooms in on the truck, revealing layers of rust across its metal body. Ivy and wild plants wrap tightly around the structure, hinting that it may have been left untouched for over a decade. Without hesitation, she begins clearing away the vines by hand, using garden shears to expose the decaying exterior. Every motion is careful, as if she's unwrapping an ancient relic. Next, she opens the cabin door. It creaks with resistance, a sign of years of neglect. Inside, the seats are torn, the dashboard covered in dust, and spiderwebs cling to every corner. She methodically removes the debris, vacuuming the interior and scrubbing the surfaces with a cloth soaked in cleaning fluid. Now she moves to the engine bay, the heart of the machine. Rusted bolts, decayed wiring, and clogged filters await her. Step by step, she dismantles the components: air filter, battery, radiator. She inspects each part carefully, replacing damaged pieces and restoring connections with precision. Her hands move with confidence. Every action is purposeful. After hours of work, she installs a new battery and adds fresh oil. With a deep breath, she turns the key. The engine coughs, then sputters. But on the third try, it roars to life. It's an incredible moment. The truck, once forgotten, now breathes again. To finish, she washes the exterior, polishes the chrome, and even adds fresh paint to the worst rust patches. The transformation is stunning. What was once a ghost in the forest is now a proud machine, ready to roll. This video isn't just about mechanics. It's about patience, skill, and determination. So if you want to see how she turned a rusted wreck into a working truck, don't miss a second. Enjoy the full restoration, and don't forget to subscribe for more.